Hey guys, so I'm gonna eat some fries. Eat the fries, so just find the one. Oh, from KFC. It's so good. Really so. It's a big one. It's oh my god. It's good, guys. This is the one. In the video, you can smell what I'm smelling, but I smell butter. But in real life, I smell butter for real. Not kidding. Kita ko kayo. Sige. It's good. That's big Philippines.
Kasi mix mo na maigi yung matutunaw yung mag-mix ng maigi yung bata. Nestle cream bago mo laglagan ng cheese.
How oily? How oily am I? I see this on a video, so how oily am I? Not. I'm not even oily at all. Not oily. Cheers. Wait lang. I was gonna watch TV, but I was supposed to watch TV, but I was saying wait. Well, my dad, he said he was gonna watch TV, so yeah, that's what we do. Here's Leon. Here's Leon back there. Sakamoto base hard boiled. What the? It's really anime. It's anime, but you hear that? I know you hear that. Oh, my tongue. Rebuy my tongue. I said that rebuy my tongue. 3 more pieces. So take 2 more pieces. Oh.
Malapot yan, lalo na pag lumamig. Hindi naman. Kaso, oo, magtatabang ng konti. Depende kung gaano karaming tubig ilalagay mo.
Oh,
Di, pag natunaw yan, marami.
I like fries na to. But because of time.